This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Open Wallet and tap the plus to add a card. Once done, follow the issuer verification, SMS code, or bank app approval, because Apple Pay requires confirmed billing. Make sure Touch ID is registered and a passcode exists. Without these, the home button shortcut won't work. If you haven't updated iOS, pause and install the update now, then return to Wallet so the system has the latest payment protocols and NFC improvements. You'll now practice the core flow. Double-click the home button from the locked screen to summon your cards quickly. Once the card appears, authenticate with Touch ID. If that fails, you'll be asked for your passcode. Enter it to proceed. Then hold the top edge of the iPhone toward the contactless terminal's NFC antenna. Maintain position briefly. When the terminal beeps or the screen shows done, that confirms the transaction. This sequence reduces fumbling at checkout. You're finishing. Review the recent transaction in Wallet and cross-check your bank app for authorization details. If the home double-click doesn't summon Apple Pay, go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay to ensure double-click home is enabled, or remove and re-add the card to refresh credentials. If payments won't connect to the terminal, toggle airplane mode or restart the iPhone to reset the NFC hardware. Then try again. This resolves most temporary connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.